Welcome back everybody to another exciting episode on the Desol 4x4 Adventure series. We're teaming up with Ross Champion for an epic build. It's Black Betty. Before we get into that, let's have a look back at this one-of-a-kind rig with 31-inch tires, locked reduction gears, lifted to a whole new level. This Jimny was arguably the most capable Gen 3 in the country, making rock steps look like speed bumps and outshining so many much bigger vehicles in the convoy. But now we're taking her completely apart. We've taken the engine out and prop shafts, plus the front diff. But it's about to get a whole lot more exciting. So if you're keen to see a little bit of cutting, yes, I said cutting, a whole lot of disassembly, a heckload more welding, and a completely transformed Jimny, do not move a muscle. You're gonna wanna see what's coming. If you've ever done a Jimny rebuild, please drop a link in the comments below. We'd love to see it. We might even ask you a couple questions and get a bit inspired. Well, that's it boys. You've cut. You really can't go back now. What do you think of the new shape of this Gen 3? As you can see, the guys have got the tires there and the measuring tape, just getting a good idea of what size they can actually fit against this Gen 3. I really wonder how big they're gonna go. So we've chopped the rear and roof of this vehicle, but we're not done yet. There's more cut lines and the angle grinders coming out once again. Are you as excited or as nervous as we are? Let us know in the comments below. As you can see, even though the guys are going hard on the tools, they are taking their time, making measurements and doing the necessary precautions that they need to. But man, look at that, this vehicle is really starting to take shape. I'm sure there are so many of you car enthusiasts out there who have noticed this specific diff on the floor. Extra brownie points if you can mention it in the comments below. You can just see that Warwick and Linton are completely in their element, taking this vehicle apart, welding up new components, seeing, measuring, trying new things, seeing what can fit, what won't fit. These guys are like mad scientists in a laboratory. As you can see, the guys are measuring, planning, drawing up, and seeing how the suspension is going to play with this new setup. To every single one of you for tuning in, thank you. Join us for part 2 of the build, where you can hear more of a technical breakdown with Linton and Warwick, see them machining custom radial arms from a 25 kg slab of aluminium, and watch the Black Betty build come to life. Hit that like and subscribe button to make sure that you don't miss out on any of the action in the future. And drop us any of your questions in the comments below. If you want to be a part of this build or see how you can collaborate with us, drop us an email at info@desol.co.za.